The rapper who runs the Young Stoner Life record label is accused, among other things, of co-founding the Young Slime Life criminal group. A high-profile trial of rapper Young Thug, widely known as the YSL RICO trial, has begun. The trial began in Atlanta on November 27, 2023 after an extensive jury selection process was completed in early November. The 32-year-old musician, real name Jeffrey Lamar Williams, who faces racketeering and gang conspiracy charges, has spent 567 days in jail. The Fulton County District Attorney stated that the Grammy Award winner, who was denied bail in June 2022, soon after his arrest in May 2022, is a co-founder of the Brutal Street Gang and used his music to promote it. Prosecutors argue that the artist's chart-topping label, Young Stoner Life Records, also stands for Young Slime Life, the name of an Atlanta gang. And they indict him of conspiracy to violate the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, RICO, among other charges. Given Young Thug's fame and the potential for high-profile witness testimony from the music industry, as well as the scale of the case in which more than 24 other names have been indicted, including 5 now confirmed to also stand trial, the case is expected to draw nationwide attention. Who is Young Thug? Young Thug is an award-winning rapper and pioneer of melodic trap sound known for his unique mumbling style and taste for pop music. The hip-hop star has earned 3 #1 albums on the Billboard 200 chart, So Much Fun in the year 2019, Punk in the year 2021, and the compilation album Young Stoner Life, Slime Language 2, in the year 2021. He has worked with artists such as Drake, Future, Travis Scott and others, while also creating genre-defying crossovers like his #1 hit, Havana, his collaboration with Camila Cabello, and Childish Gambino's, This Is America, which became the first rap song to win the Grammy for Song of the Year, in the year 2019. After emerging on Atlanta's scene and signing to Gucci Mane's label 1017 Records in the year 2013, the prolific artist eventually launched YSL Records, also known as Young Stoner Life Records, a subsidiary of 300 Entertainment, in the year 2016. The hitmaker has also earned a reputation as a fashion icon with his gender-bending style, notably, wearing a dress on the cover of his, in the year 2016, mixtape, Jeffrey. What is Young Thug accused of in the YSL RICO case? Prosecutors have accused the Go Crazy rapper of being a founding member of the Young Slime Life street gang from Atlanta's Cleveland Avenue neighborhood that is affiliated with the National Bloods gang and indicted him on charges including racketeering, drug trafficking and weapons offenses. He was first indicted in May of the year 2022, along with 27 other names, including rapper Gunna, for violating Georgia's Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations RICO Act. A second indictment followed in August 2022 tacking on 6 more felony charges. Of the 65 counts against the defendants spanning from the year 2013 to the year 2022, the artist faces charges in 8. Among the most serious allegations, he is implicated in the January 2015 shooting death of Donovan Thomas Jr., a member of a rival gang who died in a drive-by shooting. Prosecutors allege, Young Thug rented the car used in the shooting. What are Young Thug and his attorneys saying about the YSL RICO lawsuit? The hot rapper has pleaded not guilty and denies all the allegations. In numerous court filings, as reported by the New York Times, his lawyers have reiterated the claim that YSL is simply a record label and has no gang ties. His lawyers have also noted that while some of those indicted in the original May 2022 indictment may have committed crimes, the hip-hop star is not responsible for their actions and does not orchestrate them behind the scenes. Who else are defendants in the YSL RICO case? Rapper Gunna, real name Sergio Kitchens, was also among those arrested in May 2022 and like several other defendants, including Young Thug's brother Quantavious Greer, entered a guilty plea deal in December 2022. The 30-year-old, Drip Too Hard artist, shared a letter from jail in June 2022 claiming he was falsely accused, and ultimately accepted an Alford plea deal, which allows him to maintain his innocence but acknowledges it is in his best interest to plead guilty. Of the 28 original indictments, now only 5, plus Young Thug, will stand trial due to plea deals while 13 names are being handled separately. Are Young Thug's lyrics being used as evidence in the YSL RICO trial? On November 9, an Atlanta judge issued a controversial ruling, allowing song lyrics to be used as evidence in the case. Per the New York Times, Fulton County Superior Court Chief Judge Ural Glanville stated in court that prosecutors can use at least 17 specific song lyrics and verse sets as evidence if they prove their connection to the alleged crimes of the defendants. Among lyrics being considered are "Foo Foo," "Just How It Is," and "Mob Ties," as they relate to the existence of the gang, the defendants, participation in the alleged criminal conspiracy, and their mindset regarding alleged specific crimes they are accused of. Last year, California Governor Gavin Newsom signed a law limiting the use of song lyrics as evidence in criminal proceedings, and over 100 artists and music industry leaders wrote an open letter, stating the practice criminalizes black talent. Citing Young Thug's incarceration, the open letter titled, "Art on Trial, Protect Black Art," stated that using his lyrics in legal proceedings is an overt act towards the criminalization of an entire genre. Despite strong, "Protect Black Art," legal opposition from the defense and community activists, in early November 2023, the judge ruled at minimum 17 specific lyric sets from Young Thug's and other YSL artists' music can be used by the state to argue for the existence of a gang, the defendants' participation in the alleged criminal conspiracy, and their state of mind regarding specific crimes they are accused of. Why did jury selection take so long in the YSL RICO trial? Per the Associated Press, jury selection started back in January 2023, and the trial was expected to begin in early 2023. The process faced several obstacles, including working out logistics to transport various jailed defendants from different prisons daily, contraband being smuggled into the courthouse, an attorney and court deputy arrested, among other issues. The jury now consists of 9 women and 3 men, and it is unclear how long the case might last. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and set the bell so you don't miss new videos.